Hello friends, welcome to this part of the video series on chatbot development end-to-end project. In the previous part, we understood the code I have already written for the webhook. Now let's test the code in actual Dialogflow simulator. Before we move forward, you must write this command node index.js and start the local server. Also, make sure that your nglog engine is running. Now we will go to Dialogflow. Before we test, you should make sure that under fulfillment section you have a correct nglog URL followed by Dialogflow route. And you hit save button. If we go to our flowchart, we will see the user will start the conversation with hello. So let's start the conversation with hello. The response is coming from intent default welcome intent. Here you see a button diagnostic info. You will see all the diagnostic info here. At this point the response is coming from the intent itself. So we don't have anything, but it will when we check the conversation with webhook. Now here it is asking for difficulty level. So let's provide a difficulty level 7. You see, we got the response, we don't have level 7 at this time. And this response is coming from intent user provides difficulty level. And if you go to diagnostic info, you will see that this is fulfillment request sent by Dialogflow to our webhook here. This fulfillment response is sent back by our webhook to Dialogflow, and you can see the status that it is successful. Now let me provide the correct difficulty level. Let's say difficulty level 1. So here it has asked us the first question, and if we go to the flowchart, we are here. When user has provided the correct difficulty level, ask the first question. So it has asked the first question and it is waiting for answer. So once you provide the answer here, it will check the correctness of the answer, and it will also check whether it is last question or not, and based on these two conditions it will move forward to the conversation. So let's say the question is what number comes before 15? It's 14. Okay, the answer is right. So you can check that in diagnostic info, this was the request. 14 answer was sent to our webhook. Webhook has processed it and generated this response. And in this response, you can see we have selected question answer. All the 5 questions that we are going to ask is there. So we don't have to make a trip every time to get a question from, at this point, a local JS file. But otherwise, if you make it wide or make it more big, then you will have a database. So you don't have to make a trip to database. It is asking us the next question. Here is your next question. What is double 2? Let's say 5. A wrong answer. So it will say, sorry, 5 is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 4. Here is your next question. What shape has 4 equal sides? Let's say square. So square is the right answer. Now you can see that we have 2 different intent to capture answer from the user. One specifically for number, second specifically for string. And at this point we have captured that answer. Now it will ask the next question, what is 6 more than 4? I'm not sure if it is right text or not, but let's say 6. Okay, 6 is a wrong answer. I'm not sure what the text was. Maybe there was a typo by me. The next question is what number comes after 18? It's 19. Now you can see we have finished all our 5 questions, so it has shown that the answer is right or not, and then it has shown the score, that 3 out of 5, and it is asking to start the quiz again. Type type a number between 1 to 5, and it is awaiting difficulty level. So let's say if I say 2 difficulty level, then it will fetch all the question of 2 difficulty level, then randomly select 5 question, and it will ask first question out of those 5 questions. Now we have this intent start again, and basically its use is, if user in any case wants to restart the test, user can type start again, and it will ask the difficulty level. So this is how the Webhook is supporting the front end of our chatbot, the natural language understanding part. In the next part of the video series, we will create our Telegram bot and connect that Telegram bot to this chatbot. So see you in the next part of the video series. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.